Hi, my name is Norim bin Rashid and my student ID is 2025169471. So today I would like to present about the organization that we choose, which is SSM. So what is SSM? SSM is Suruhan Jaya Syarikat Malaysia, or known as Companies Commissions of Malaysia. So SSM is one of the statutory body that was established on the April 16, 2002, following the merger of the two entities, which is the Registry of Companies (ROC) and the Register of Business (ROB). It operates under the Company Commission of Malaysia Act 2001. So the primary function of SSM is the registration and the regulation of the company business and limited liability partnership, which is we call it as a LLP. SSM also play a significant roles in providing public access to the business and also the corporate informations. SSM also has changed their service from manual to digital platforms such as My Co-ID, which support company-related transaction, and also EasyBiz, which cater the business registration and renewal. So next we are gonna to talk about the core business and type of records. So SSM is responsible for collecting and maintain various business and corporate records under the three key registry, which is Registry of Business (ROB), Registry of Company (ROC), and also Limited Liability Partnership (LLP). So the record collected under ROB is a business registry form, business name, register number, nature of the business and the start date, proprietor and partner information, any amendment, and the last one is the business renewal and termination records. For the register of the company, the information collected is the company incorporation, which is the information about the company, and then corporate structure, which is the information about the directors, shareholders, and the company security, including their informations, and then about the annual returns, which is the financial reports, and also about the statutory change, such as the change in directorship or restructuring efforts, and the last one is the document related to the company change. This to ensure the transparency and accountability in the corporate governance. And the last one is about the limited liability partnership (LLP), which is the information that been collected is LLP Form 1, which is the registration details, name, business nature, and also the register office, the partner informations, and LLP agreement, which is an optionals. The next one is annual declarations, amendment, and also termination. So next we are going to talk about the Unit Registration Service Division core activities, which is there are 6 divisions core activities, which is the first one is the business and company registration processing, where the staff will examine, validate, and approve the application for the sole proprietorship and the partnership (ROB). Also for the private and public companies (ROC) and limited liability partnership (LLP). And this thing can be utilized using the online platforms such as My Co-ID for the company registration, and also EasyBiz for the business registration and renewal. Next, we're going to talk about the second core activities, which is data entry and verification. So once application is submitted, the officer will ensure that all the submitted information, such as identity document, business address, and shareholding structures, are accurate and comply with the SSM standard. The officer also will check the business name in order to follow the official naming convention and to avoid the misleading and any offensive names. So we go to the public access corporate information, where the unit also facilitate public access to the business and corporate data, where they issues the official document, which is the company and business profile, certificate of incorporation or registrations, and also the summaries of business status and activity, because this document is very essential for banks, investor partner, or any government bodies who needs to verify the legal standing of the business entity. So for the fourth one core activity, which is legal compliance monitoring, where they will ensure the application is comply with the legal requirements, follow the naming convention, and also to avoid any appropriate or duplicate names. It also to meet the eligibility criteria. So the fourth core activities is customer service, where they offer assistance in form of submission errors, document issues, and also clarification during the registrations. And the last one is amendment and terminations, which is include about updating the registry when there is a change of address, ownership, or business structures. They also manage the voluntary termination or cessations of operation to ensure that all the exits are recorded according to the law. And the last one, they will oversee the entities conversion, which is the partnership that's want to convert into the limited liability partnerships.
Next is the information and knowledge within the unit in SSM. SSM is follow standard operating procedure, SOP, and checklist like company limited by guarantee (CLBG) in ensuring consistent processing. This aims to support uniform service quality, reduce information gaps, and also facilitate staff onboarding. This also includes the correction of metadata and record governance to capture key corporate metadata like name search, charge, and document filings for inclusion in SSM digital platform like My Co-ID and also e-info. They also SSM also have a digital workflow automation to ensure the submission of document can speed up in a short period of time. The one of the SSM digital platform like MyCodeID and also eInfo that easily used in online platform and to find any related information. Customer also accessible and also easily can be retrieve any information that has been submitted. Next is the formats of information received and produced by SSM. SSM primarily produce and receive information in digital formats like SSM e-service portal. SSM use specific system which the Malaysian Business Reporting System (MBRS). MBRS refers to the submission platform based on the Extensible Business Reporting Language (XBRL) format. This format for guide and serve to provide guidance on the use of the SSM XT in the filing of financial statement and also exemption application that's relevant to financial statement and key financial indicator filing under MBRS. MBRS platforms allows for the submission of annual return (AR), financial statement (FS) and reports, exemption application (EA) related to the FS and AR. In the utilization of the XBRL format standards, this provide to standardized framework for reporting financial data, which improves clarity and comparable across submissions.
Next, the information is stored both physical and digital. Based on the title, we all know that the record have two types, which is physical and digital. For physical, it is original signed document or chalk. For example, registration form. For digital, it is stored via my COID, my LLP, and MBRS. It is include company info and financial statements. Next, SSM launched their new platform, which is SSM Search and Save Data SSM. The purpose is to provide accurate and timely online access to business entity info for public to make informed decisions. Next, MBRS stand for Malaysia Business Reporting System. It is digital filing platform using XBRL format. The requirement is all companies including B&M regulated financial institutions must submit full financial statements in XBRL. Next, for the information is retrieval from the storage. Retrieval based on record type is digital retrieval through platform, which is Ssm Info, MyCoid, EasyBusy, My Data SSM, and Safe Data SSM. It is users search using company name, registration number, or on ID. For physical retrieval, it is used for legacy records or regulator documents. For example, trust deeds needing verifications. Uh, for require, it is official approvals like trusted appointments or exemptions. The purpose of using this is ensure accurate, secure, and timely access to support regulator functions and public service delivery. Now I will explain the information is disseminated intra and inter units. What is information dissemination? Information dissemination is distribution of relevant data for operation. Intra-unit internet is held between SSM divisions, which is, for example, company registration and ICT unit. And number two, system use the SSM system use MyCoid, document management system DMS, and secure email. And number three, access via through my data SSM and SSME info. For inter-unit external, the SSM use the platform for example, SSM Search, Safe Data SSM. It is launched April 2024. For number two, the complements, SSM give the user SSE info and my data SSM. And number three, the aim, SSM aim the public access to corporate info for informed decision. The impact of this is ensures timely structured data sharing across and beyond SSM. Information is preserved for short and long-term retention. For short-term retention, it is done via MPRS portal. For example, annual return filing. Must be filed within 30 days of registration anniversary. For long-term retention, includes minutes, annual or financial statements. It is compliant with regulation. For example, Companies Act 2016, Compliance Campaign 2020. Lastly, SSM offer up to 90% compound reduction to promote compliance. But not least, I will explain the information utilized in the unit. For internal usage at SSM, it is review company records and compliance. It is aid decision making, internal audits, and performance tracking. For example, cross-checking changes in shareholding for proactive action. Uh, platform that we use is MBRS support SBRL. It is based digital filing. Integration of MBRS data is combined with MyCOID and MyData SSM for full visibility. Benefit that we get from this is save time and cost, reduce paper usage, and enhances regulator collaboration, for example SSM IRB. The outcome that we get is enable efficient governance, regulator action, and public trust. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Now, let's talk about who is involved in managing information in SSM. Information management at Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia entails a number of important departments and staff members that collaborate to guarantee that data is gathered, stored, accessed, and safeguarded efficiently. There are several main individuals and units that involve in managing information in SSM. First, of course, they have top management. Top-level executives such as the CEO and senior directors are responsible with a crucial in setting information management rules and strategic direction. Other than that, they also have an information and communication technology. This division is responsible for development, administration, and management of SSM software application, system, and network infrastructure. SSM is an agensi under the Kementerian Perdagangan Dalam Negeri dan Hal Ehwal Pengguna KPDN HEP. In addition to being a corporate regulator, SSM is an organization that registers and incorporates firms and disseminates company and business information to the general public. The Companies Commission of Malaysia Training Academy, ComTrack, is dedicated to promoting sound corporate governance via ongoing education, efficient monitoring, and enforcement, and it was created to lead SSM's training programs for external stakeholders. Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia (SSM) offers several online platforms to help manage business and company information. SSM e-info allows users to purchase important documents such as company profile, financial record, and certified document. It also provides image of official form as required under the Companies Act 1965. Other than that, MyData SSM gives real-time access to companies' profile, financial history comparisons, and digital certified copies of business certificate. The platform is user-friendly, offers free listing, and support various payment of method. Lastly, SafeData SSM is a trusted corporate database that helps business organize and print company information. With over 1 million registered companies in the system, it makes data management fast and reliable.
Next is the availability of organization data mining approach. SSM provides data mining approach through corporate information platform. This platform allows users to access into the corporate data in various formats such as PDF, image, Excel files, and bulk data package. Additionally, SSM also offers raw data package in web service via its Corporation Integration Data (CID) platform. This data mining approach can help in business intelligence, which is to use to analyze both structured and unstructured data, and also identify potential customer and analyze competitor activity. This also can enhancing predictive capabilities for strategic decision making. This is because information or requirement from SSM that company must follow can help in strategizing and standardizing the complete documentation for their registration of submission, and also playing a crucial role in improving process with predictive analytics. And also data-driven decision-making has been emphasized, and with data analysis and mining playing a crucial role in improving process.
Now, let's look at the three major challenges SSM has faced in managing information and how they overcome them. First, SSM deal with data overload and redundancy. Every day, they process a huge amount of information from companies across Malaysia. This causes repeated and outdated records and inconsistent format, making it hard to find reliable data. On top of that, manual work increases errors. To fix this, SSM has adopted advanced tools like AI and machine learning to clean and organize data. They also use a standardized system and centralized digital platform to keep everything updated in real time. Next, there's the issue of limited integration between legacy and new system. While SSM has moved forward with digital platform, some older systems are still in use and don't work well with some new technology. This slow down process and cause communication problem. To improve this, SSM introduced APIs, middleware, and cloud integration to connect old and new systems. They're also moving data step by step to newer platform to avoid service disruption. Finally, during the COVID-19 pandemic, SSM faced serious challenge. Many businesses struggle, especially small medium enterprise and individuals. To support them, SSM launched several helpful programs like free registration for the B40 group and students, waived late penalties, and supported OKU entrepreneurs. This action helped ease the burden, maintain compliance, and show how SSM applied to support the economy during tough time.
So for the conclusion for this presentation, the Companies Commission of Malaysia, which is SSM, play a very critical role in Malaysian corporate governance and has evolved in digital entity since 2002. The Malaysian Business Reporting System, which is MBRS, aimed to embrace digital format for financial reporting, with research indicating that uptake of SMEs has been positive but slow. The SSM has addressed the challenge by investing in AI and cloud technologies in order to improve service deliveries, increase public trust in the corporate governance system, and also create a resilient corporate ecosystem.